Cheating wife. Emma is my wife. I never even dreamed that she would do something like this to me. We lived a very beautiful life. But I never thought that beautiful time would end like this. My name is Carl. I married Emma 2 years ago. I was so happy to marry her. I did everything I could to keep her happy. At that time, I didn't have a stable job, so I looked for jobs everywhere. Because I didn't have a job, we lived a difficult life. Since we had no money, Emma was very sad. Look, Carl, we don't even have anything to eat. Emma said this when we were eating. Emma's favorite foods are very expensive. I didn't have enough money to buy them. You don't even have money to buy a dress I like. Why did you marry me? Day by day, Emma started scolding me with different things. I was in great pain. I was very sad that I couldn't treat Emma well. So I looked for jobs everywhere. While looking for jobs like that, I was able to find one. But that job was in a city far away. I didn't want to leave Emma alone. So I told Emma about this. You should take that job, Carl. How can we live without money? Emma said that. So even though I didn't want to, I decided to go to work. The next morning, I got on the bus and left for work. I had to work in a hotel. They also found me a place to stay. So I worked hard. I sent the money I earned to Emma. I didn't have any holidays. I had to work continuously for months to get one holiday. Exactly 6 months later, I got a week's leave. I was so happy and left to go home. I couldn't wait to see Emma. I got off the bus and walked home. From a distance, I saw a car parked in our yard. I came to the front of the house in surprise. At the same time, I heard Emma's laughter and a man's voice. I looked inside the house through an open window. I couldn't believe my eyes. Emma was hugging another man. I felt like all my hopes were shattered. I yelled Emma's name very loudly. Emma looked at me in fear, ran and opened the door. Oh my god, Carl. I am so sorry, Carl. Even though Emma apologized to me, I didn't forgive her. I walked back to the road thinking I would never come back to Emma. Thanks for listening this story.